In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a transparent header in Wix Studio. Starting off, let's ensure you're logged into your Wix account and have your website open in the Wix website editor. The Wix editor is an incredibly versatile tool that allows you to creatively customize your website's elements, ensuring your site reflects exactly the style and functionality you desire. Once you're in the Wix editor, your first step is to click on the header section of your site. The header is the area at the top of your pages that usually contains your site's logo, navigation menu, and possibly other elements like contact information or social media icons. Clicking on it will highlight the section, bringing up the customization options that will help you change its appearance. Now, with the header selected, you'll notice a menu appearing, typically near the header itself or in a side panel. From there, look for the option labeled Change Background. This is a critical step because changing the background is how you will modify the header's transparency and overall look. Go ahead and click on this option, and a new set of customization choices will become available to you. Next, directed by the menu, click on Color. The color setting controls the visual background of your header, which is vital for the aesthetic presentation you're aiming for. Once you access the color choices, you'll see a variety of options ranging from solid colors to gradients. Here's where we make the magic happen. Choose a transparent color for your header. This might sometimes be under a category like transparent, opacity, or even custom options depending on the layout of your editor. Transparency allows your header to seamlessly blend with the rest of your website's design, creating a stylish and modern look where the background of your web page shows through, thus providing a crisp, uncluttered view. Once you've set the transparency to your liking, click on Edit. This step is a good pause point to verify everything, ensuring your changes align with your vision. Editing gives you a chance to refine other header attributes if necessary, such as text styles or additional elements within the header that you might want to adjust for consistency with your now transparent background. And there you have it. You've successfully created a transparent header in Wix Studio. This not only gives your website a sleek, professional look, but also enhances user experience by maintaining focus on your primary content without the distraction of a heavy header. Feel free to explore additional tweaks within the editor, trying different levels of transparency until you find the perfect balance for your website. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!